Okay, this is the Atlas Bartack 42 stitches you see over here. If a Virgin, Juki, Atlas, and other people today it's the same. It's made in China. Excellent machine, and you can see it right now working. We're gonna do the tacking. Back and forth. This is the tacks, and this is the back. You can adjust the stitch by opening large or small, wide and narrow on this side. If you want a wide stitch or narrow, it's right here. Long and short, right here. Now we're going to try on the fabric which you require parachutes. So any material you're going to put under. Dale. Right now we'll show it to you on this. Take a look at the back, take a look at the front, and of course you can do it short or narrow, whatever you want. So you can see it, back and forth, to open, very tight, very good. Thank you very much from Atlas Levi Sewing Machine Company.